Matthew, go. Do it. Do it for daddy. Do it for daddy. Go. Go. Are you gonna go show mommy? Are you gonna show mommy what I'm teaching you? You're such a weirdo, Matthew. You're my little weirdo. My little baby. Mijo's tired. Are you tired, baby? You can go to sleep if you want. Look, Matthew. Look at the books I bought you, Matthew. Look at the books I bought you. Look, Matthew. Look at all the books I bought you. Look, Matthew. $148, Matthew. But it's worth it, Matthew. It's for your education. It's for your education, Matthew. Your mommy's gonna like this, Matthew. She can use it online. You can play this online, Matthew. I just bought these learning books for my son. They're for different ages. If you have toddlers, Babies, first grade, second grade, all the way to high school. He has books and DVDs. No, put your name up. Are you doing that to me, Matthew? Are you doing that to Daddy? Are you doing that to Daddy? Again, do it again. Do it again. Do it again, Matthew. You forgot?
Yes.
There you go. My little baby is so adorable. You can add him on Facebook. There it is. If your kids need help with studying, tutoring, math, science, anything like that, he's the guy to talk to. Matthew. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you. I spent the last of my money on you, Matthew. I don't have nothing. I don't have anything, Matthew. I don't have nothing. I can't even buy myself food. But it's okay, Matthew. You're worth it, Matthew. You're worth it. My baby's worth it. Say bye, Matthew. Say bye to everybody. Say bye to everybody. Say bye, everyone. You want to show me your teeth? Show everyone your teeth, Matthew. Show everyone your teeth. You have 2 teeth coming out. You're so cute. Say bye. Say bye to everybody. Say bye, people. I'm going to take a little nap. And then when I wake up, me and Daddy are going to read. What do you want to read first, Matthew? Shapes, colors, numbers.